We have a lot of expertise. We've been around for a very long time and we've seen it all. If your scooter's not working, there are 3 things that you can check. The first one is make sure the scooter isn't in neutral. The second is make sure your batteries are charged. And the third, if your scooter is beeping, refer to your user's manual and give us a call. We fix any scooter, really, so long as there's parts available. Everything excluding wear and tear items, for example, tyres. Up to 3 years. If the scooter was brought to our workshop, there's no charges incurred. If I have to visit somebody's home, there will be call-out fee. Generally, batteries last for 2 years, but it really depends on your usage. Many scooters have diagnostic settings, so they'll either flash or beep when there's a problem. And a lot of the time, your user's manual will say exactly what that is for. So here I've got the troubleshooting guide for our scooters. We've got 1 through to 10 different possible beeps that the scooter will emit when it's experiencing a fault. So the best thing you can do is, if your scooter's beeping, is to count how many times it beeps in intervals and give me a call, and we can get down to the bottom of the problem. Once I find the problem, I repair or replace the part. It's not a glamorous lifestyle, it's one that works.